Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed Dauda. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Codethinkers Academy. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some updates we added on our learning platform. Previously we have been working on our AI coding editor. So now we added some features that will enable you to upload pictures for web development, and we added another feature that can be able to allow you to upload files like Excel file to perform a quick data analysis and visualization right from Codethinkers Academy. Another thing which is very nice is that you can be able to view your data you imputed, and then you can be able to view the image as well. And then there is a place where you can be able to click and instantly delete any file you created. Alright, let me show you exactly how the learning editor is performing. Alright, so as you can see now we have the learning editor like this. So you can see now we have a file we imported which is student.csv. It is CSV file. Let's click here to view it. So as you can see, this is the file here. It's a file, or it is a data of our student age, gender, and then the subject maths, English, science, and here are the name of the students. So as you can see, the platform is going to have a preview of your data set. Then you can be able to preview the data set to know exactly the kind of data you are working with. Alright, so let's go back to the editor again. As you can see here, you can be able to click here to delete it, but I don't want to delete it. And then let me show you how you can be able to utilize this to import image. So when you click here now, this browse here, you can be able to go down. Then you go down and then you can select image. So I've selected the financial success image, then I will click. Now you can see it's going to roll. So after the rolling again, now it's going to display the image for you. So look at the image here, it has come into the learning editor. So when you click here now, you can be able to have a display of that image, which is awesome. Then from there now, you can see now we have a close button here. When you click it, it's going to close the image for you. So as you can see, which is perfect. Most importantly, this data we imported, you can be able to use it to perform a descriptive analysis by using a pandas. So let's click on this file. As you can see, so any file I'm currently working on is going to show this blue color. So which means I'm on this file now. So as you can see here now, I have import pandas as PD. So I created my data frame here, which is dpt is equals to pd.read.csv. Since the file is CSV, so I'm reading the CSV file, and then I'm going to have .head to show some few rows of the data. Then here I'm going to do a descriptive analysis of all the data sets. You know, the data set has to do with the student information. So now the only thing you need to do here is for you to just click run here. So when you run now, you're going to have the full descriptive statistics for both the categorical and numerical data set, as you can see here. So here is the first data frame of the data set, and then here we have the descriptive statistics that has to do with the count of the students. So here is the count, here is the uniqueness, and then here we have the top, here we have the frequency, you have 25 percentile, 50, 75, and here we have the maximum. So that is our sense. Those that are waiting to learn Python for AI, get ready. We are about to start our series for creating a powerful and job-ready content for any interested learner. Alright, so don't forget to visit us on the www.codethinkers.org and to register, and then you have some free courses there where you can start, and then you get a certificate of completion instantly at the end of the course completion. And then if you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it on the comment section.